Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by Accounted in collaboration with CRY, Child Rights and You. Topic of today's tutorial is filing of vouchers. First of all, let us understand what is the importance of filing the vouchers. You are all aware that vouchers are required during statutory audit and internal audit. If you don't file vouchers or don't file them properly, then you will face trouble during audit by Income Tax Department, GST Department, FCR Department, as absence of vouchers may result in adverse audit report. If you have filed vouchers properly, then they will serve proof of expenditure recorded in the books. Stapling the vouchers. Vouchers can be stapled either horizontally or vertically. It is advisable to place cash memos and supports behind the voucher and staple these to the left side of the voucher twice vertically. Bigger staples may be used for multiple supports. How to punch vouchers and supports? There are two types of paper punches. Single hole paper punch is often used to punch an admission ticket to indicate it has been used or processed. Common example would be a security guard punching the bill before you leave a shop. These are not suitable for filing vouchers and supports. Two-hole punch is often used to create holes in sheets of paper for the purpose of collecting the sheets in a binder or a folder. These are suitable for filing the vouchers and supports and should be used for punching papers. Now, this image shows an incorrect way of punching the paper. The two arrows indicate that the holes are misaligned. This will most likely result in tearing of supports. Now, to correctly punch the holes in a paper, fold the paper in half as shown in image A. Now, place it in the two-hole paper punch as shown in image B. The fold mark on the paper should go next to the arrow mark on two-hole paper punch as depicted by the circle. The arrow on the paper punch will ensure holes are at an equal distance from each other. Now, when you press the punch, it will result in perfectly aligned holes as depicted by curly brackets. You should always follow this method of punching. Folding the supports. Now, the first image here shows a voucher which is on the left and second image shows a support which is on the right. There are two options for folding the supports. Let us take a look at these. Now, option A is a single fold. In this case, we fold the support up from the bottom as depicted by the arrow. Now what happens is this results in hiding of important information in the support. When someone tries to view the support, they will have to unfold it and this could result in tearing of support. You should not fold supports in this manner. Now let us take a look at option B. In option B, first fold is a diagonal fold from the bottom left of the paper as can be seen above depicted by the arrow. Second fold involves folding the support up from the bottom as depicted by the red rectangular and the arrow. Now, this fold allows us to unfold the support easily to review important information while substantially reducing the risk of tearing. If option A is followed, in 9 out of 10 cases, the person reviewing the support ends up tearing it. You should always fold the supports as per the option B to reduce the risk of tearing. Thermal paper supports. Text on thermal paper supports fades over time if not stored properly. It is therefore advisable to scan thermal paper supports using a document scanner or a mobile application. After scanning, print these and file them with the voucher. Alternatively, you may take a Xerox of thermal paper supports and attach this with the voucher. Pasting the supports. Most people tend to paste small supports either behind the voucher or on a piece of paper before attaching these to the vouchers. Examples would be a petrol bill, a courier receipt, or a boarding pass. Now, do not paste the supports since the main problem with pasting is that the support may get destroyed. This will cause extreme difficulty in producing it when someone asks for the support. It also renders the information on reverse illegible. Filing the vouchers. Vouchers can be filed in voucher files. There are different types of voucher files such as a box file, ring file, a standard file, among others. Overloading a voucher file will result in critical vouchers and supports falling off. Now, who would want to be in such a situation where the supports and vouchers are falling off? You should never overload a voucher file as shown in this image. Stick to the maximum capacity a file can take. In case your voucher files are getting overloaded, split the vouchers between the two files. A properly loaded voucher file looks like this. In case you have any queries or doubts, please send an email to query@accounted.net. You can also follow us on Twitter @accounted for faster updates. To subscribe to Accounted capsules and publications, visit www.accounted.net. For feedback, please send an email to info@accounted.co. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and we'll see you soon in our next tutorial. Till then, take care and remain accountable.